everyone, welcome back. Today I have Emily with me. Emily is a super great friend. She's a doctor of our town and she does an excellent job. She's loved by a whole bunch of people. Anyway, she is a very good person. Anyway, and she has two young girls that are amazing and they get their hair cut all the time. And anyway, they are sweet, sweet, sweet. So she has a really low maintenance, like really easy pixie cut, which has been super fun for her. She goes 5 weeks in between her cuts, which is nice because it lasts. So what we like to do is we start out. Sorry, that was unplugged. Okay, go ahead and look down.
Oh, I have a necklace on.
Nope, you're just fine. Thank you, though. Yep, that's right below, so that is no problem. Okay, so we just like to get that all nice and trimmed.
Sure.
All right. Okay, then we start up here on the top. Come in, point cut this. We do this just over an inch long, inch and a half probably, just so it's nice and easy to do, especially when she's on call. If she gets called out or something, she can just put her fingers through it. Have you noticed that, Em? It being easy when you have to just leave and go. It's just kind of in its spot, in its place.
Yeah, for sure.
Good.
Usually, and if it's not, I just spray it with a little water, and I can even use a blow dryer to make it.
Oh, that's nice to kind of put it back into its spot. Good. Yeah. Once you have an easy haircut like this, it's hard to want to do anything else, huh?
Not going back, for sure.
That's right. True, true. All right. So I am just coming down this back. My fingers are tight next to her nape area here. So I'm keeping track in my head. I come down and I do vertical sections. And then when I go to grab the hair for the next section, I just make sure that I hold it with that hair that I have cut before. And that way I can keep track of where I'm at in the haircut. And at the very end, I like to come around the perimeter of her haircut and really tighten it with the clipper overcomb. And that's been really nice because it helps the haircut last longer. If we didn't do that, she'd probably feel bulky and not really styled along the edges of her hair, the perimeter. And so just clipper overcombing that and keeping that tight really helps, hold it out for the 5 weeks. The only thing with short hair is it's kind of funny because sometimes when you go to get, your haircut, people are like, wait, you're going to get your haircut? Because it's already short, but it's a real thing. Like you definitely need to keep your, hair trimmed usually at least every 5 weeks, if not sooner. Some people, this haircut lasts her because we go short enough and we go tight enough around the edges of her hair. And so it does last. And that's what I go with my haircut. I mean, by the time I get there, because I'm supposed to get my haircut Friday, and my hair is definitely long right now. So it is standing up pretty darn high. But it lasts, so it's fine. It works. And then you'll see I'll come back through this area with the clippers. Okay, so I'm going to come straight across. Same thing, we're getting this length off so it's easy for her. Depending on how long they want it on their forehead, is where you hold this part because this is their bang area. So I just come over to the top of the bang, which is the length, the bottom length. And then that way I can take off what I want as far as the bang area when I get to that part. Okay, so then after we get that top, and I like to kind of hold this up to see, but yeah, that's about right. And then we're going to come and make these tight against her sides. And I'm just doing a 90-degree angle, which I'm just following her head shape up to these layers, up to the top. Okay. You can see I skipped a little bit as I come down. That just gives it a little bit more movement through this area. Okay, then we're gonna take this up by the ear. It's been fun. Emily's mom has come to get her hair cut now since she's moved here to Utah. And that has been super fun. I've known her now for a long time, and she is just a sweetheart. So it's super fun having clients, and then they bring clients, and then you just get super close to all of them. Okay, I'm just taking little sections just so did you see how I just cut that at different lengths? That gives it some movement here, okay? All right, now we're gonna do the next side, the other side. You doing good, Em?
Yeah.
Okay, sweet. Okay, I just hold that, just trim around that ear so it's nice and tight. And then I'm going to come back through and take this off the clippers. Okay, we're going to come in, open and shut, take different lengths out. Okay, so for her bang area, we always like to cut it shorter up in this area that she parts. So we kind of start that pretty short up here. And then of course this, you can see, is just coming down on the side of her face, which we like to leave. So we just kind of come a little shorter in this corner and let it go down kind of longer over here. Okay, it seems just a little long through this area. So we're just gonna take a little bit of that off just so it lasts her. And that's the thing, you'll get to know your clients and what they like. And when you go back through and start to kind of check things out after you've cut, you'll know, oh, we need to do this or that. It's kind of fun. Not kind of, it's lots of fun getting to know your clients and what they like. So, okay. All right, perfect. Let's do the clipper over comb. Like I said, this is really nice because it lasts, or it makes your haircut last longer. So you bring this in, the comb, you hold it out a little bit. You can see the angle on my comb. So you're just taking the hair a little shorter around the perimeter of this, all the way, just up into this length. It just cleans up a haircut nice too. Makes it look nice and clean. Just cleaning this side up. Okay, and then I just come in by her ear and take that a little shorter. Now over here in this front, you know, when I hold it out further just so I don't take the length off in this front, but we do right through this area. Okay, now we're going to come to this side. And if you guys can see here's the length. And then there it's tight. So it makes a huge difference, especially growing out. That's where I feel like, you know, my ladies see it the best. Like when it starts growing out and they're like, oh, I can still handle my haircut because it's not poking out on the bottoms and sides. But sometimes it just gets too, like, I don't know, some ladies call it fluffy. They're like, my hair gets fluffy over here. So then I take and clipper over comb, and it really helps them, and they really like it when they come back. They say, yep, it really helps a lot. Let's keep doing that. So that's what we like to do. Okay, now we're going to come over here by the ear. All right, perfect. Now what we're going to do is we're going to texture so it's easy for her to stand this hair up. We come through here. So what this does is it puts little hairs, it cuts little hairs into these hairs. So the longer hairs it'll help them stand up because there's shorter hairs underneath. Okay, and then just through this area. Okay, awesome. Now we're just going to comb this out, and then we'll be able to style. I am going to turn her to the mirror. I like to see if I have this even. Okay. Okay, awesome. All right, now we are going to add the mousse. This is from Kenra. It's the extra mousse. It's for volume, okay? I do love this. It's very light on the hair, so it's not going to weigh your hair down, so you can have as much volume as you need. And then I'm going to add a little bit of volume and lift spray to her hair. She has quite a bit of it. It's just fine. So this volume and lift spray will help it look and feel a little thicker. So make sure you can see that I'm just rubbing it in really good everywhere. Then we're going to take and dry it. The back, we're just going to dry down. It's just going to fall into place. I don't even know if it's falling. It might just be staying in place. If you want more of just a down soft look, you can just, dry it down this way. I like to do Emily's to where it's back and forth so it has more movement, and so she has the height on top when we're done. It's gonna go back and forth with the Epic brush.
That's tough. Okay. Yeah.
You see how those sides are cut? Just nice and piecey. And wispy, if you want to call it wispy. Okay. See how fast that was? Takes 2 seconds. Okay, then the styling paste. I like to just dip my finger in that. This is from Sexy Hair. Love this paste. I rub it in and then I come in and I start grabbing at the hair and lifting. Yeah, I feel like the styling paste holds. It's not too sticky and it's not too dull. So yeah, I feel like it has a super good hold and it pieces out so you can see, you know, these wispy pieces in the front area. Then I always like to check her bangs too. So I might turn her. Yay, you're back. Is that feeling good? Yeah. Okay, sweet. So you can see how it's a little shorter and then it comes down a little longer on the side. Little tiny details like that, even though it doesn't need to be a huge, it just adds to a haircut. Little tiny things can add to a haircut. Okay, now the Bed Head Hairspray. Love that. Love the smell. Because who doesn't want product that smells good, right? Okay, I'm gonna turn her one more time. Just check her really fast. Okay, all right. I think you're set, my dear. Oh, earrings falling out. Okay, all right, you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I hope you have a phenomenal day and we will chat next time. See ya.